Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front door handle on this 2005 Dodge Durango. Pretty much the same for any 2004 to 2009 Durango. We show you the front left hand or the front driver's side, which is the same as basically the same procedure as the front passenger side as well. The tools you'll need for the job are a replacement door handle from 1AAuto.com, small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and an 8mm wrench or a socket with ratchet.
Okay, take a small screwdriver and kind of push towards the front and pry up on your panel here. Okay, the back comes up and out, then the front slides out. And then there's three connectors. They just have little tabs. You push with your thumb, pull up and out. Now in behind your door handle, just pry out this little cover here, a small screwdriver. And there's a Phillips screw there, as well as a Phillips screw under there, and then one further back there.
And I'll just fast forward here. I'm just using a Phillips screwdriver and removing those three screws I just showed you.
And once those screws are out, just look up on the panel and then start pulling it out. You'll see a little blue clip back here. Pull that blue clip back off the rod. Okay. Then pull the rod up and remove your door panel. And then you want to carefully pull this water shield off. Okay, to remove your door handle, kind of look right in here and you'll see two clips, a blue and orange one. The blue one, push straight back and then remove that rod. Okay, same thing with the orange one. Push it back towards the back of the door. And pull that rod out. And then there's two bolts, one here and one there. Two nuts are 8mm. Just gonna reach right in. 8mm socket and ratchet. A wrench would work as well. Okay, once those screws are out, I'm going to pull out on the door handle. Okay, pull it forward and right out. Okay, so here's my old handle, new handle from 1AAuto. You do just need to switch the lock over. T20 Torx driver. Take this screw right out. Okay. Lock comes out into the new one. And put it right in. Okay. New handle then. Pull it out. Make sure the rods are back in there. Okay, pull it out. Put it in. Make sure the back goes all the way in. Okay. Slide it back. Then get the studs in. Okay, keep pushing it back as you push it in. open the door. Put your two 8mm nuts back on. Okay, make sure your lock rods are free and didn't get bound up when you're putting the handle on. Tighten up these two nuts. Okay, now come back in here. Make sure this clip is kind of down. Push that rod in. Okay, and then take this rod here. Film it, but put it in place and clip that rod on. And for this one, what you'll need to do is pull your handle out, then reach in there and clip that rod. Okay, so pull my handle out, reach in there, grab that clip, and clip it on. Make sure we're unlocked.
And make sure you put your water shield back up in place.
Okay, put your panel back on. Just make sure your harness is going through there. Pull this rod out, put it into that blue clip, and then lock the clip on. Okay, now make sure your door lock goes through there. You just want to press it against. You can look back in here and see where all the little hooks are up front. Just make sure that the front and rear go in flush with the door. Just kind of making sure all the hooks are on there correctly. Slide it down. Oops. I realized that this came out. Make sure that lock is on there. Slide it right down. Okay, everything should be nice and tight around the edges.
And here I'm going to speed it up again as I just reinstall the 3 screws, the 2 at the bottom and the 1 in behind the door handle. Those 3 screws are what hold the door handle down in place.
Our harness is out. Slide this down, slide the front end first, then the rear, and then just, this can be a little bit of a pain, but just put this little trim door right back on.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.